Hi everyone, this is Queen and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to learn how to make this beautiful turban headwear. So this is how gorgeous it looks. This is actually very easy to make, as easy as ABC. And we're going to be making this with just a needle and thread. So for this tutorial we are going to be making use of this stretchy material. You can use any stretchy material of your choice. Okay, so the length of this fabric is 23 inches. Okay, and the width we have here is 15 inches. And we are going to be making use of just this fabric. It is very stretchy. Okay, now the first thing we are going to do is to turn it like so. Okay, now I'm going to leave the rough parts at the top because I'm going to chop it off later. So I'm just going to come down by half an inch like so. I'll just give it a mark. Then I'll create a kind of curve like so. Okay, all the way down. Just a simple curve. I hope this is very visible. Just from this point all the way to this point. Now I'm just going to use my pair of scissors and chop it off. Okay, all right, I'm just going to make sure it is very neat. Okay, all right, so now the next thing we are going to do is to turn it to the wrong side like so, and then we're just going to turn this part. Now there are actually different ways to do this. You can actually use your gum. A simple fabric gum would do, and just put it on this part and gum it like so, or you can use your needle and thread. You can use a tiny needle or just a big one. So I'm just going to sew from this part all the way to this part, or I can simply go over to my sewing machine and make use of it. I think that would be faster. So I'm done with that, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so we are going to move to the next step. You're just going to turn it like so, just fold it into two, Then get your needle and thread. I've already fixed the thread like so. I actually doubled it. Then this is what it looks like. I had to tie the other end. Now this is how you're going to sew it. From this part, very carefully, right? You don't need to space it out too much. This is very easy, very easy to make, and the output was actually very nice, very mind-blowing. You can actually make this and sell in bulk. You can actually make different colors with different fabrics of your choice. Okay, then you're going to fill up the needle like so, then pull it off from this end. Now you're just going to continue with that all the way. You're just going to continue with that. I had to fast forward that part so the video would not seem boring. Okay, this is the part you have to like the video and subscribe to my channel if you've not, so that you get to see more of my tutorials and some fashion attires that I post. Okay, so when you meet the other part, you're just going to make sure that they both align, then you join with your needle. Just going to join the two of them with the needle and make sure it is very tight so that you will not see it from the other end. Okay, so that your work will come out very neat. So I had to make sure that it was very tight. I had to keep checking it till it came out good. So then you're just going to sew it like so. You keep sewing it. And please make sure it is very tight so that you won't see the thread from the other end. I know you understand what I mean. Okay, this part was very thick. That's why I advise you use a big needle, but if you use a tiny needle, this part might not be that easy to sew. So that was why I subscribed to a big needle. Alright, okay, so this part, that's the ending. You just have to stitch it like this. Make sure it is very tight. Okay, then you get your pair of scissors and cut off the thread. Then you get to tie it again to be sure it is very tight, so you know that you're just sewing it once. You don't need to keep sewing it and sewing it again and again. Okay, now this is the output. This is our result, and it's looking good, it's looking gorgeous. And when I wore it, it was looking so amazing on me. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. See you on the next one. Bye.